Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well and have a nice day. So today Sudarshan is going to explain about the artificial intelligence and some of the most important details I am going to explain about. So in earlier videos also I have explained about the artificial intelligence. So now in today video I will explain some more details. So now let's begin it. So first of all, what is artificial intelligence here? So artificial intelligence here means that it's a branch of computer science that stimulates the human beings, so it copies the human behavior into the machine. So basically the AI uses the deep learning and machine learning process. So what do you mean by the machine learning here? So machine learning, you can say that whatever data you will feed into the machine, that will work uh, according to that pattern. So you have to fix a pattern in that, and it will work like that pattern only. So that is known as machine learning. And after that you can say deep learning. So see, suppose we are human and we have the brain. So brain are connected with the neural network. So neural here means nervous system, so it connected with neurons. So in the same way deep learning has the neural networks. So it makes its patterns, it makes its decision or reasoning uh, according to neural networks. So it can detect any image, it can mix any theories by their own. It learns with their own. So it requires generally the huge data. It requires generally the huge data. So this is the deep learning. So now how many types of AI are there in the market? So actually if you will see, there are mainly three types of AI. So first one is simple AI, that is also known as weak AI. Second one is generative AI, and third one is super AI. So what is weak AI? So actually weak AI, you can say spam, email detection, or whatever Alexa or Siri voice recognition. So that is the simple AI. So whatever data you will feed, it will behave like that only. So any other machine, you can say these are the examples of weak AI. After that you can say generative AI. So generative AI is the modern technology, and you can say here that it works like new patterns. Actually whatever patterns you will give it, it can understand that patterns, and it can mix images, videos, text. So if you want any speech, or if you want any theory or notes, so they will create you for necessary life. So their best example is chat gpt, Gemini, or you can say any other app, Croc. So these are the best generative AI. So in today's field, many students, employee, all people are using the generative AI. So now third one is super AI. So super AI is not available in the market now. So you see the science fiction movie. So basically in this there is the realization. So you are assuming that the world will become like that. So you have seen the pictures that koi mil gaya, or something like Terminator, or Avatar. So in this movie basically they have shown the science fiction. So basically they have shown the science fiction movie. So in this basically they have imagined that our world will like that. uh, Humans will work like machine. The car will fly in the sky, and even bicycle will also have the motor in the future. So there are a lot of imagination in the super AI. So you have already understood the three types of AI. Now I'm going to explain about the robotics and drones of AI. So first of all, what is robotics here? So see, human robots is generally the simple hardware machine, but actually it will work when you will feed the AI system. If you will feed the machine learning or deep learning system in the human robots. So actually there is the sensor or camera, or you can say radar or lidar. So these are the actually the sensor, or you can say ultrasonic sensor also. So these detects the various obstacles or any material or object, uh, and it will give the information about them. So basically these robots used in warehouses, every department, such as in Flipkart, or you can say Mantra, or any Amazon warehouses. So they are already using these robots. Now what about the drones? So drones are used, they also use the sensor, lidar or radar. So these are the sensor that detects any obstacles, such as in agricultural field. So they can detect that whether the amount of water in that farmland is more or less. So they can also detect whether they are insect or not, whether they are pest or not. So they can verify. So AI is also used in healthcare industry. So healthcare, they can detect whether the patients has any disease or not. So they can assume whether the person are suffering from cancer or diabetes. Now come on, drone again. So in drone, actually, with the help of sensor, they can also use in defense area. So they are used for the uh, attacking, or they are taking the images or cameras, and after that they will send back to the uh, instructor, so those who send that message. So basically these drones uses the cloud system, but nowadays no cloud system are using in these type of drones or robotics, but they use the chips. So chips generally made by the Nvidia. So these are the basic things that you have understand in the artificial intelligence. So in next video, I'm going to explain about these terms in more. So that's all for today. Thank you.